Hi, I'm Freyja Hartzell, and I'm an assistant professor of modern design history at Bard Graduate Center. I also happen to be an alumna of our master's program. And right before I enrolled as a master's student, I made this, which is a tin-glazed earthenware mug. And I'm showing it to you today because it actually brings together a number of the things that I still think about in my work as a historian of design. One of them is materiality. So this is a low-fired earthenware mug, but it has a glaze on the outside that makes it look not so low. It actually looks very decorative and not earthy at all unless you look at the bottom. And the other thing that I find really interesting about this kind of object is that it deals with patterning. And I was looking at pattern books when I chose the design for the outside of this, and I took my design from a pattern by the Austrian designer Koloman Moser. Um, and the thought I think I'd like to leave you with is that I've been thinking a lot about patterns recently, and I think that patterning is really a method of thinking. It's a way of meditating and considering and working through things in a kind of visual way. And so I think that's what I was doing when I was decorating this mug, and that's what I continue to do in my work at BGC.